Especially Mustang, unique, especially in classics. 2007 Saleen S281, Supercharged Coupe. Sequential number on this car, number 36. It's actually one of 314 Supercharged Coupes produced in 07. Tungsten gray metallic. Of course, underneath the hood, 4.6 liter Supercharged V8. 435 horse, 420 pound-feet of torque, power steering, power brakes, AC. As you can see, heat extractor hood. Tungsten gray metallic paint, nice shape on this one. You might find just a couple very, very small spots like that right there where it's been touched up. Otherwise, that front fascia looking very good. High intensity discharge headlights. Riding on the wagon wheels. Chrome, of course. Pirellis at all four corners. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, take a look at the underside of this car. Unbelievable interior, engine bay. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Clean Carfax. Carfax shows two owners. First owner had it the majority of the miles, 16,000 miles he had it. Out of California, it now has a little over 18,000, I believe it is. We'll take a look at the odometer, get around to the driver's side, start it up, check out the interior. And as you can see, free of nicks, dings, scratches up and down the passenger side here. Now, sort of a rarity on these Saleens, this particular one does have an automatic transmission. If you're looking for an automatic, there you go. They're not easy to come by, let alone one in this shape. Supercharged, of course, the big wing in the back. You'll see on the Supercharged variety, center dump exhaust. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, the rear window is a darker tint, as well as the quarter glass. The side windows are like that also, so check with any of your local and state laws depending on window tint percentage. I want to let you know this one is dark, and you can see it in the still pictures. I rolled the windows up in the still pictures so you can see that. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Of course, this would have the performance suspension components. They're going to come from Saleen. Sway bars, shocks, lowering springs, everything that's going to make this car handle like it's on rails. Fun cars to drive, no doubt. All right, let's take a look at the interior. Door panels. This one has floor mats. Over the floor mats in the still pictures, you'll be able to see the S281 floor mats, and then the Saleen leather appointed seats will all be in the still pictures also. Of course, they do not show much for wear at all due to the miles and age of this car. Definitely tow is well taken care of, stored indoors. All right. We'll start this up so you can hear it run. We'll check out that engine bay. One thing I wanted to mention, if you're familiar with these at all, you know they had a lot of issues with the CD player in them. This one has been replaced with a nice Pioneer touchscreen, Bluetooth, and rear camera also. So upgrading the stereo system. There's your exact miles. Where are we at here? There we go. Sorry, 19,000. I said a little over 18,000. 19,363. As you can hear, the stereo does work. AC blows cold. Everything working on this car. Of course, that supercharger is intercooled. Intercooler temperature there and boost gauge there. No warning indicators, service engine soon, anything like that. All there is the fasten seat belt. Alright. Slip around to the back so you can hear this one run. Great sounding car at idle or under throttle. second, let's pop the hood, check out the engine bay, see how it looks underneath.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, heat extractor hood, look how clean that is. Wow. Of course, there's a 36 in the bumper. In the still pictures, you're going to be able to see the cowl tag, dash plaque. There's a little whiff looking out of that supercharger. And again, 4.6 liter supercharged V8, 435 horsepower, 420 pound-feet of torque. Battery was placed in 2018, I believe it was. In the receipts that will go along with this, you also get the Saleen owner's manual and the Ford owner manual with it. There you go, low mile, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, and if you're looking for an automatic, here you go. Beautiful tungsten gray metallic Saleen. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the descriptions. We can take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.